What if you're tired?
There's been plenty of players who were late bloomers who peaked later in their career. But the thing is, Norman Howell's entire NBA journey has been tight. From the beginning, Howell entered the 2015 season. In the early part of his career, his minutes declined, usually playing as a backup behind DeRozan, and later on, Kawhi. His playing time fluctuated, and there was always somebody ahead of him in the rotation. Back then, when Casey and the coaching staff didn't have their full trust, and we found it hard to push him into a role. He's a 6'3" shooting guard after all, or on his own terms, usually by having small guards like Kyle Lowry and Trey Van. Howell was often tasked to guard players much bigger than him, which made it difficult. However, the die-hard Raptors...
Do you want to go with me with Dubai? So many luggage, ha?
Upon Kawhi Leonard's inevitable departure, he had no choice but to play Marvin.
Ay, pili ka dito ng luggage. Ito na lang. Do you want to go with me with Dubai? No? What do you want? Asalubo. Asalubo ka sa Donuts. What flavor? All the flavor? Okay. Ano ba all the flavor of the donut?
Imagay. Italuhotoki, aleluhotoki, aleluhotoki.
I'm here in the door.
Hashimizu kesi, Hashimizu eno, yabi wiswabi. Hey,
Okay.
kadu kadu kadu. I see no control.
This is $80,000.
Walk away! I wanna wax.
Okay, here's your donut. That's all.
Walk away from me.
Decides to blow it up. One disadvantage